Hey everyone, welcome back to I'm Not Lost, I'm Exploring. This weekend we're setting up camp at the beautiful spot called the 100 Mile View Campsites right here in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. This trip's part one of a two-part camping series. We're staying for 2 nights with my good friend and fellow YouTube creator Too Much Gear Guy, who actually booked this site for us through HipCamp. Not long after we arrived and started setting up, the owner stopped by to welcome us. He shared a lot of great information about the area, the local hiking trails, the best places to catch sunrise and sunset, and just some cool stories about the property. And of course, I had to ask permission to explore the other side of his land. He agreed, so definitely stay tuned for that adventure in part 2. Day 1 was all about getting camp set up and settling in. I'm running a minimalist setup this trip. Still testing out some of my military surplus gear. For my shelter, I'm using the improved combat shelter, and for sleep, the modular sleep system. Pairing the patrol bag and intermediate bag, a solid combo for the cooler nights up here in the mountains. Once camp was up, we got the fire going, kicked back and just enjoyed the view, and this spot really lives up to its name. The 100 Mile view is stunning. During the day, clouds roll by, roll through the valley like waves, and as evening sets in, the sunset breaks through in golden beams before the sun dips behind the ridge. Even as daylight faded, the scenery didn't disappoint. The sky glowed with soft color, and by nightfall the stars were out in full force. Clear, bright, and endless. Every so often, a satellite or airplane would pass overhead, breaking the stillness of an otherwise perfect night. There's something peaceful about moments like that. Just the fire, the stars, and the quiet around you. Do some stuff and things.
Easy. I could pretend all day.
You were working your butt off all day. Look at this, guys. Look at this setup. Nice. The one and only Too Much Gear Guy.
Not pretty, but it's good for now.
I gotta tell you guys, he lives up to the reputation. Too Much Gear Guy. It's an awesome setup. Can't wait for the tour. And then there's mine.
Sets it off just right.
This is the accent furniture over here on the right. And the deluxe condo on the hill over here. Right, so we'll give you a quick tour before it gets dark. Kind of a quick tour. It's my tent, my setup. Just a simple ICS, sleep pad, MSS. Too Much Gear Guys setup. I'll let him explain that to you guys later. Maybe we can get him to give us an exclusive tour. Tarp, table, fire pit. Beautiful view. What more could you ask for? Nice. I should be good, I think. If you want to see more of the gear used on this trip, make sure to check out Too Much Gear Guy's channel. He's got some solid reviews and breakdowns of the equipment he brought along, so go show him some support and tell him I sent you. Just basic setup tonight. So I got my ICS, I got my MSS patrol bag and intermediate.
You're set.
Oh, I'm gonna be toasty. I got my little booties, my Carhartt hat just in case my ears get cold. I got all my junk and my fleece liner stuffed in my bag there. Extra pillow, little Teton Sports pillow, and I got the inflatable mattress to keep me off the dirt, and I should be good for tonight. There's just something about setting up camp for the first night. That feeling that the adventure is really beginning. You roll in, pick your spot, start unpacking your gear, and it's like everything else just slows down for a while. You really can't ask for a better view to set up a base camp. Out here it's quiet, no traffic, no noise, just the sound of the wind and the trees. Everything about this place just feels right. The cool mountain breeze made setup easy today. Every now and then I'd stop what I was doing and just take in that view. Clouds drifting across the valley, the sunlight shifting through the trees. It's hard not to pause and just breathe it all in. Sometimes the best part of camp is doing nothing at all. It's those little moments in between, the smell of fresh air, the sound of the firewood crackling as you get ready for the night. It all reminds you of why we came out here in the first place. This site's got plenty of room, a good flat spot for tents, an unbeatable view right out the front door. You can stay here for days and never get tired of it. As we settled in, everything started to feel calm. There's something about the rhythm of setting up, pitching the shelter, stacking the firewood, getting everything in its place that just puts your mind at ease. No rush, no schedules, just taking your time and letting nature set the pace. And honestly, that's what it's all about. Getting away for a while, finding places like this, and remembering it's not about the miles or the destination, it's about the moments in between.
Got you on candid camera. Holy crap. Yeah, those are some steaks, man.
Dinner for 4.
Jeez.
As the fire burned low and the stars took over the sky, that pretty much wrapped up day 1 here at the 100 Mile View campsites in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. It was the perfect way to kick off this 2-night stay. Peaceful, quiet, and absolutely beautiful from start to finish. But we're just getting started. In part 2, I'll take you on a full tour of our campsite and the surrounding area, check out the other sites here on the property, and do a little bit of exploring on the far side of the land that the owner gave us permission to wander. There's a lot more to see and you won't want to miss it. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll know when part 2 drops. And while you're waiting, head over to Too Much Gear Guy's channel to see his breakdown of the setup and the gear he brought for this trip. If you enjoyed tagging along, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. There's plenty more to come. Hiking, backpacking, camping, and all things outdoors. We're just getting started. And remember, I'm not lost, I'm exploring.